In this video, I'm gonna walk you through my new habit tracker 2.0. I'm gonna show you some nice features and actually how to use it as best as you can. Let's get into it. So we are in the Notion and this is the Habit Brain 2.0 as I said. So these four buttons, let's start with them. So new habit, you create a new habit like so. New habit, new mistake, you create a new mistake. But you can also use those buttons new to create a new habit, and here you have to click here a new page, and I'll get to those two later. So let's start with new good habit. So you can click on it and you can edit the habit how you want. So let's rename this one as gym. Let's say I need to go to gym quite often, so let's make the habit gym, and you can also change your XP reward. So gym is quite hard, so I'm gonna change this to 25 XP when I complete this. So and we have it set up, and also you can change the icon. But I already made a tutorial for that, you can check the other video on my channel. And you can also change this one. I wanted the gym one, dumbbell, blue one. Yeah, so that's how it works, and the mistakes are exactly the same. And you just click on the button, yes, it's done, and it's done for today, and also this turns green, and then it's gonna automatically move throughout the 30 days. So another thing on this main dashboard is the player. Here you can see all the important stats you need to know. So your total XP, then your log today XP, so when I log today, and also your progress. So I'm on level 6 and I have 55% through level 6. I'm gonna log today, so I get 10 XP, and also this turns green when I complete, and then you're gonna see every single date green when you logged that day. So let's continue with new challenge. So new challenge is here. Here are the challenges. These are your long-term goals. So let's create a new challenge. See, there's a new challenge. You can also use this one. It doesn't matter. You can choose both. I'm just gonna delete this one for now. Move to trash. And yeah, you can also like move how long you want it to be. It's up to you. And here you see how many days there is left. So if you move it, now it's 23 days left, you know how it works. So I'm gonna rename it. I want the challenge to be, let's name it create a new habit, because creating a habit takes time. So let's say 30 days, it's fine. I'm gonna make a difficulty. It does matter on a habit, but let's say it's medium. So for medium we get 50 XP, and it's 23 days left. And also if you finish the challenge sooner than you thought, you can just click on finish challenge and you have it done, completed. So next up is your progress bar. So you just see your progress throughout the tracking, and yeah, I just click for example finish challenge and you see it went up. But I can also click yes, it's done, it's done, it's done, and you see it went up even more. And here you can see a list if you want to see a list of all your habits. I've made I actually took a lot of them, so yeah. And here just some info. And the last thing is the mobile access. So mobile access, I designed this page because the app on a phone, Notion app, is very bad. So this is the layout that works perfectly, like seamlessly on a phone. So you just go on your phone, click mobile access, and you can track your habits on the go. So this is like, I would say, lifesaver for you when you're on the road. So this was the whole tutorial, and see you on the next video. See you soon.